In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to get caught up in our own lives and forget about the people who matters most. Our family. Taking the time to bring the family together is crucial for building strong relationships and fostering a sense of belonging. Ayan, kompleto na kami. Excited kaming lahat. First time kong i-treat ang family sa Tonyang. Request ito ni Bunso, kaya naman, game kaming lahat for family bonding. Hotpot is an excellent way to bond as a family. It's interactive, encourages sharing and collaboration, and it creates a relaxed and welcoming atmosphere where everyone can enjoy each other's company. Nakakataba ng puso na makita ang family ko enjoying this place. Lalo na ang papa ko kasi enjoy na talaga ang pagluto-luto. Sulit nga namang dalhin dito ang mga kapatid ko, lalo na si Marvin, Larry, and Leonard kasi talagang nai-enjoy nila ang pagluto-luto. Ang mama ko naman super nag-i-enjoy. Dinala na siya dito na kapatid kong si Mayan for a dinner treat. And she loved this place so much, kaya happy akong bumalik kaming lahat na kompleto for a family bonding. Sharing a meal like Hotpot creates lasting memories and strengthens family ties. It's a recipe for family bonding that is simple yet powerful. Whenever I visit my family in Bicol, sinisigurado kong meron kaming outing or family dinner para magkaroon kami ng time para sa isa't isa. Lahat kami mga busy na. My sisters, my brothers are busy with work and school. Dati-rate, sa Jollibee ko lang dinadala ang mga kapatid ko when they were still kids. Pero ngayon, Tonyang na ang gusto nila. Tonyang brings grill and hotpot to a whole new level by offering an eat-all-you-can buffet featuring unlimited fresh seafood, meat, and vegetables. May kasama pang dessert like mini cakes and halo-halo at libreng coffee. It costs 688 per person for the provincial branches and 788 naman para sa Manila branches. I've been to several hot pots in Singapore and in Hong Kong, but this for me is more than special because I'm with my family. To see them enjoying the food, laughing, nagkukwentuhan, my papa cooking, and everybody just having a great time warms my heart. Because for me, it's not the place, it's not the food, but it's the company that matters most. We've all been to places with amazing food and stunning views, but if the company is not good, the experience can be disappointing. On the other hand, being surrounded by good company, in my case, my dearest family, can make even the most ordinary place or food enjoyable. So next time you're planning a meal or an outing, remember that it's not the place or the food that matters most, but the company. Choose your company wisely and you'll create experiences that you'll cherish for a lifetime. But of course, if you're looking for a way to bring your family together, consider Hotpot. It's not just a meal, it's a chance to strengthen the bonds that matters the most. I love you, fam!